have been, look out, could have been longer, that's for sure. Been another half a foot longer. Another inch would have been helpful.
Did you get it? It was an inch too short.
No jump or nothing.
Yay! So you were able to make the cable work then?
It's really tight, but yeah, it's worked.
I mean, is that a bad thing for it to be so tight?
I can't hear you. Well, it's not a good thing. Because if it's being so tight, it's riding up against everything on the chassis. So, like I said, I ordered 12 feet. It was $104 or whatever. If it didn't work, I would just have to take it off and order another one. I couldn't have figured it had been more than 12 feet, but apparently it was. I mean, I got it to fit at 12 feet, but it's just too tight. I need to have like 15 feet, that way I can go over everything. And
So,
right now it just pulls as hard as I can pull it.
oh wow.
But it solved the problem. Look, nothing's on it. It fired right up.
Wow!
I mean, it should. New battery, new starter, new wires. What more do you want?
Do you think that at some point you'll have to get a 15-foot cable at some point? I mean, is it too...
I'll have to get it.
All right. But is it too dangerous to use for right now?
I'll use it for now.
But
if it ever starts pulling real hard, it'll get hot. You don't want something that's riding on the chassis to get hot.
all right. Well, at least you know that's a potential issue then, right? You know that's a potential issue.
Yeah, it's something I'll have to be aware of.
All righty. Well, that's a joyful noise. We haven't heard that sound in a couple of weeks, so that's a joyful noise.
I'm Big Betty.
And I'm Bumbles.
And we are
Big
Belly
Belly Bumbles.
Bumbles.